Nature penned a will in stone, etched in roots and skin and bone. Winds of sorrow seeds are sown, pain and growth together grown.
Raindrops whisper, leaves they veil, mountains echo every tale. Sun and shadow both prevail, in the quiet hearts exhale. Oh, we dance on nature's thread, every tear and joy well fed. Cycles round us, never dead. Life in words that she has said.
Rivers carving paths through lands, time is slipping through our hands. Birds they sing in shifting sands, lessons written in their bands.
Stars will guide through darkest night, eclipses come to hide the light. In the end we'll take our flight, love and loss we hold so tight.
And petals grace, cracks and scars we can't erase. All in nature's warm embrace, find our strength through life's long race.
Oh, we dance on nature's thread, every tear and joy well fed. Cycles round us, never dead. Life in words that she has said. Oh, we dance on nature's thread, every tear and joy well fed. Cycles round us, never dead. Life in words that she has said.
Rivers carving paths through lands, time is slipping through our hands. Birds they sing in shifting sands, lessons written in their bands.
Rivers carving paths through lands, time is slipping through our hands. Birds they sing in shifting sands, lessons written in their bands.
Stars will guide through paths through lands, time is slipping through our hands. Birds they singing through our hands, lessons written in their bands.
Stars will guide through darkest night, eclipses come to hide the light. Birds they sing in shifting sands, lessons written in their bands.